What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, and I'm back. We're working on some cars. I started putting a cage in this. Not a big fan of it. When you leave the dash in, you gotta do weird things. And like a 3-point cage where you weld it in here to the door, like I did that on my last van, wasn't a big fan of it. I do not want a dash bar down by my feet either, so this was my other option. Only good thing about this, we have a bar there that we can go ahead and put our Indy CNC phone mount on. But let's look at the Crown Vic, because I'm derbying that tomorrow. Kind of just went crazy. Had a bunch of half cans of spray paint, and you know, I let Karina just play around with it. I'm in the process of just popping some holes in the floor for the 9-wire and putting the front tires on, and she'll be good. Well, as good as it's gonna get. So the van, you know, started putting some of our buddies on there. We got Outlaw Edits, we got Pedkey built headers, we got old TRX Derby wheels, and then, you know, look at this cage. Now I still got to put a back seat bar in here and then weld it to the B pillar, but this cage is pretty much just to keep myself safe. It's just kind of half-ass welded in here for now. Originally I had this up here, but I want all the visibility I can have, so I lowered it. Even though I'm going to be looking out that end of the van, we still want to be able to see kind of close. But the good thing about this, like when you're sitting in it, you can just throw your arm in there. Good place for it to rest. But we got to get this cleaned out, get some good welds on here, get the back seat bar in, get it welded to the body, and then move the battery, mount the phone mount, finish painting the driver's side, and take out the back window, and then 9-wiring the doors. Halo. So this year they are requiring a halo, so I think I hope it fits. If not, we will shorten it and put it across on the inside. What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, and I'm back. And here's our aftermath of the Grandview Most Wanted Fine Arts class. We got the front end. And we got the back end. Y'all know which way I was going. We got the GoPro. It was pointed towards the business end, so hopefully we got some good footage of that. But got down to 3rd place. Got stuck on a car. I think it was going into like limp mode or something. I was having to put it in neutral, rev it up, drop it in gear, and it was just starting to barely move there towards the end. But the front, untouched. We can still sell this core support, these fenders, and my favorite part, the door still opens. So I'm going to take a sledgehammer and beat the quarters away from the tires. I don't have a flat tire yet, but I would hate to fucking pop one of these just trying to unload it from the trailer. Let's go. Okay, now we are in rush mode to make it to the Southern Illinois Showdown. This is the tire that I ran last night. It does not fit this. This had 17-inch tires. This is a 16, so we are going to need a offset so that I can clear my brake calipers. So I gotta kind of hold it up there, figure out how far of an offset out it needs so that I can let my boy at Old TRX Derby Wheels, let him know what I need so he can put some offsets on here, and then I can have front tires on this van. Let's go. What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles, and I'm back. And today is Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, day 1 of the Southern Illinois Showdown. Now, me and my van, we do not run until Saturday, but I still want to be there Friday night. I'm camping out, so we got to get this van close enough that I can just finish it at the track. Here we go. So we have one tire mounted on it, and that was the back tires we ran on the Crown Vic. The cage ain't much. I don't like it. I didn't want to run a Halo. She wasn't long enough, so we kind of tubed it and sent it down. What I have left to do is put on the driver's side tire, take out the back glass, move the battery, take out the side curtain airbags, and then go ahead and drill all the holes for the 9-wire and top off the fluids. That's the majority of what I got. So let's go. Okay, I've never ran one of these Honda vans before. I don't know what it's gonna do. It does have like this huge dip in the floor for the seats to fold into. What do they call that? Like stowaway. So what I'm doing is putting these spacers in the springs. It says I'm allowed spring spacers or 9-wire to 9-wire my springs down. And I'm going to kind of jack the back up as high as I can. That way, if it does start to go down, we got a little bit more. And how these work is you put a wrench on this nut, you jack up that one, and it will sandwich it between there. Okay, we got the battery moved, we got the battery cables rerouted, roof signs on, starting to fill the back of the van with everything for the weekend. Let's go.